What is going on, family? It's your boy Terrell, being a co-founder of Forex Executives, and in this week's analysis, man, I'm gonna be going over both my pairs, EURCAD and Great British Pound JPY. All right, so let's just jump right into the charts, man. We right here on EURCAD, and we can see that it was a nice bullish pin bar that closed on a weekly chart. So you guys hear me talk about this all the time. There's pushes and pullbacks when it comes to the market. So I think that this week we're gonna get a nice pullback to the upside, possibly all the way to these recent lows or even higher to this key level, and then a continuation to the downside. All right, so that's what I'm gonna be pretty much looking for. You can see that price came down and was immediately rejected off of this weekly trend line. So let's just drop down to the daily and we can walk right through that as well. So we had these nice bullish candles close last week, given that rejection, and then we had a spike down on Friday from the news, but you can see that it was a nice wick on this candle on Friday's daily candle close. So what I want to see initially, I want to see price kind of pull back to this area, and then or pull all the way back down to this trend line and then get rejected and go all the way up to the upside. And excuse me if you hear the noise in the background, sorry about that. But I want to show you guys something. What I really want to see is I want to see the market kind of pull back and give me a nice 50% retracement. Okay. All right, 50% retracement on the fib. So I want to see the market give me a 50% retracement before it takes off. Okay, so let's just jump down to the daily. You can see it a tad bit better. Like I said, I want to see the market kind of pull back down to here and then give me an explosion up, or we can look for price to pull back to this trend line, make a double bottom, and then explode all the way up. All right, so those are the things that I'm going to be looking for when it comes to EURCAD. And you know, guys, just stay locked in on that pair if you do trade that pair. And also, let's jump over to GJ. I know a lot of people do trade this pair, man. So this is my analysis for GJ. So it's similar to EURCAD this week. We got a nice doji right off of this trend line, off of this weekly trend line. So if you guys don't know what a doji is, a doji candle means that there's indecision in the market. All right, there's buyers and sellers. They just battling it out, they fighting it out, and nobody has taken control yet. So what I want to see is the same situation. All right, I want to see the market kind of pull back and then give me a continuation to the upside. All right, probably to these recent lows or even higher to this trend line, and then a continuation to the downside. All right, and you can see it a tad bit better on the weekly chart. So we had this nice big push all the way down, and I want to see the market pull all the way back up to these recent lows, and then a continuation on down, or even a break all the way down to this minor key level. All right, so that's what I'm gonna be looking to happen this week on GJ. We got this nice bullish candle that closed Thursday, and then we also got a nice bullish rejection candle or pin bar that closed on Friday. So like I said, initially I want to see this pullback, and then I want to see an explosion up, and we can get some massive pips on this trade, you know, 300, 400 pips possibly. So let's kill the market, man. Go through your charts, back test, put the work in. Let's get it.